naman po nila. So, hindi ko po nakayaan na magdusa ang aking mga kababayan sa binibigay na serbisyo po ng Prime Water, Your Honor. Kaya po, lahat po ng legal na kaparaanan ay aming pong gagawin. At unang-una nga po dito ay ang pagsususpend po ng business permit to operate po ng Prime Water sa bayan po ng Santa Cruz. Marami pong salamat.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor Agarwal. Now, dumako muna tayo sa ilang question and answers. Q&A, magtatanong po ako ng ilang katanungan, and then si Senator Riza, and then later on yung mga iba pang resource person, pagsalitain din natin. For the meantime, itong question and answer, nandito po representative ng Prime Water. Sir? Upo po kayo? Comsec? Meron bang ano tayo?
We have Mr. Roberto Fabrique.
Mr. Fabrique?
Of Prime Water.
Ano pong posisyon niyo sa Prime Water, Mr. Fabrique? Sir?
Morning, Mr. Chair, Ma'am Sen, Lisa, and sa lahat ng mga nandito, from LGU to LGU and other water district representative. I'm Engineer Bert Fabrique, President of Prime Water.
Okay. So, Presidente po kayo. So, lahat ng mga katanungan namin, I would presume, masasagot niyo po. Ayoko marinig dito na sabihin mo, bago lang ako, or wala sa aking dokumento sa susunod na hearing. So, siguro, dala niyo po lahat ng dokumento kailangan namin para maisagot niyo po yung mga tatanong namin sa inyo. Right?
Yeah, Mr. Chair, I prepared as much as I can.
Okay, very good. Unang question. Nakakuha kayo ng 75 JVAs, Joint Venture Agreements. Di ko alam kung anong ginawa ninyo, is it magic ba or whatever, na para mapunta sa inyo ganun kalaking daming kontrata. Okay. Nung kayo po ay pumasok sa JVA sa iba't ibang local water district, meron ba kayong mga kompetensya? At transparent po ba yung naging proseso ng inyong pakikipag-JVA sa iba't ibang local water district?
Mr. Chair, yung process na dinaanan ng Prime Water is, of course, all is unsolicited. We as private company submitted a proposal to the water district, and they accepted it and we negotiated it.
Okay, when you submitted the proposal na sinasabi nyo, hindi ba kumontak ang local water district na sinabitan nyo ng proposal ng iba pang mga private water supplier na para i-compare yung servisyo na i-offer ninyo versus servisyo na pwedeng i-offer ng iba?
I think the best group to answer that is water district, because we submitted and after we done negotiation and they accepted it, we applied it naman for competitive.
Okay. So lumilitaw po, sir, na lahat ng local water district na pinuntahan ninyo para kumbinsin nyo na makipag-JVA sa inyo, Joint Venture Agreement, umayag at hindi na nag-abala pa magsabi sandali lang. Baka meron dyan mas maganda pang offer, mas mababa ang offer. Walang ganon. Basta't nakapikit, o sige, pasok ka ng Prime Water, good to go ka na sa amin. Ganon nangyari.
Mr. Chair, actually, kumbaga may competitive challenge po talaga na proseso. Dumaan po siya, water district, I think.
Okay, when you say competitive challenge, meaning meron competitor na niyaya na para mag-bid o kung anumang proseso yun, para tingnan din yung kanilang magiging proposal at ibabangga yun sa proposal ninyo na may nangyari bang ganon?
Mr. Chair, I think we as the private company, of course, don't know if water district entertained.
No, you should not. Siyempre, sasabihin sa inyo ng local water district, Prime Water, meron kang pinapropose sa amin, unsolicited, at gusto mo maging top party sa amin, pakaganday mo water services namin. Pero meron kang kakompetensya rito, pag-aralan mo namin yung offer versus dun sa offer ng kabila o may nag-offer din na iba. Walang ganun siguro, tama? Bakit?
Actually, I cannot answer for that, Mr. Chair, no? But we submitted our proposal.
Okay.
For them to...
You cannot answer that because walang naging kakompetensya kayo sa lahat sa lahat ng pinasok ng kontrata sa different local water district, wala naging competitive challenge. I can assure you that. Kaya hindi mo masagot-sagot. Ako nang sumagot. Now, ang tanong, sige, maraming mga local water district, bago kayo pumasok, maganda ang serbisyo. Kumikita. Pero nung pumasok kayo after ng GBA ninyo doon sa mga local water district, naging balasubas ang serbisyo at nalugi pa yung local water district ngayon. Huwag ka muna sumagot. Example, Metro Surigao Water District. Nangako kayo na in the next 5 years, yung pag-sign nyo ng JBA, kayo ay magpapump in ng 904 million pesos na investment. Nakalagay sa JBA, huwag ka magsinungaling. Ipa-out mo na lahat na siguro.
May I request all the resource persons physically present to please stand and raise your right hand. For our resource persons virtually present, kindly turn on your web cameras and also do the same. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding? Please respond. Yes. All the resource persons physically and virtually present answered in the affirmative. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, thank you. Now, let's proceed to Mr. Fabrique, tama? Okay. Sir, ipinangako nyo na investment ninyo dito sa local water district ng Metro Surigao Water District. 904 million in a span of 5 years. Pero bakit hindi po na-fulfill yan? At pagkalipas ng 5 years, 62 million lamang ang na-invest ninyo. At ito ang dahilan kung bakit napakabad ng service. Bakit, sir? Ano nangyari? Okay. Kasi ang estimated project ng cost PPP is 2.55 billion. Alam niyo po yan. Sige po, pakisagot lang. 904 million ang pinangako yung investment for the next 5 years after na magpirmahan kayo ng sa JDA. Pero ang na-deliver nyo lamang ay 62 million. Ang laking discrepancy po ito. Why?
Mr. Chair, if I may, I have the report for the whole prime water individually. I cannot read it separately.
No, you don't have to read it. Just answer me directly. Direct to the point. Ano ang paligunit? Bakit mo po, ulitin ko, sir, paiksin mo na. Huwag mo na ako paligunit dito. Wala akong oras. Hanggang stress lang tayo dito at marami pa magsasalita. 904 million pinangako in the next 5 years maging investment ng prime water dito sa Surigao Water, Metro Surigao Water District at 62 million lang na-deliver. Bakit, sir? Sagot.
So, ganito po siya, no? Parang overall sa water district ng prime water na nakapartner namin. Yeah,
Surigao lang po, sir. Bakit? Surigao muna. What are the
Actually, sir, we prepared po kasi for the branches that was invited here, the 16 branches, and Surigao is not part of it, so I'm prepared to answer for the 16 branches po.
So, ano yung 16 branches?
Yung nakalist po sa invitation.
Pero sir, ako muna, di ba sinabi ko na sa'yo kanina, alam mo naman ang pag-uusapan natin ito, alam mo naman itatanong ko ito. And yet, hindi mo dala yung information na kailangan namin at ang gusto mo sa susunod na hearing? Okay, sige, next. Sa Cabanatuan City, 503 billion ang estimated project. Nangako kayo sa Cabanatuan City Water District ng 716 million pesos na investment in the span of 5 years. Pero ang nung na-deliver lamang ay 262. Why?
Mr. Chair, as per our record, our commitment from the start to 2014, we are supposed to deliver 1.2 billion and we delivered 600 million, Mr. Chair, not 200 po.
Galing po ito sa COA. Alam mo, sir, matagal nang hiningan kayo ng mga dokumento ng iba't ibang agency para tingnan kung kumusta na po ang inyong performance, pero palagi niyo tinatago at ayaw niyo pong ilabas at sinasabi niyo confidential. Dito, hindi niyo pwedeng itago sa amin yan because sabihin ko yung mga dokumento niyo lahat. Pati toilet paper siguro niyo, isasabihin ako. Kaya natin kung anong tigas mo dito. Next. Panabo. Tagaytay Water District. 1.2 billion ang pinangako ninyong investments. In the next 5 years, nakasaad doon sa JVA. Pero ang na-deliver nyo lang is 120 million. It goes on and on and on and on. Halos sa lahat. Halos sa lahat. Ang dami nag-terminate because of that. Ang dami na. Nag-terminate na contract because of that. Panabo Water District, 644 million. Halos kalahati, more than half a billion. 644 million ang inyong ipinangakong investment. Okay? Sa mga susunod na 5 taon. Pero ang inyong na-accomplish lamang ay 50 million barya. Isa pa, Santa Cruz Water District, 518 million pesos ang inyong pinangako na investment niyo. Kaya pumayag sila. Uy, napakaganda, sabi nito Santa Cruz Water District. Pikit mata, pumayag sila kasi ang laking offer nyo eh. Gaganda nga talagang serbisyo kung ganito. More than half a billion ang inyong i-infuse na capital. Sino ba naman local district? Water local district, hindi papayag. Pero, nabudol sila. Ang inyong diniliver lamang ay 144 million. Ang dami nito nabudol. Go ahead.
Kung pwede kong itanong sa OGCC, Mr. Chair, kung ang proponent po ay hindi tumupad sa financial requirements, sa investment commitments, nagko-constitute po ba yun ng breach of contract? Sino pong, yes ma'am, attorney, I'm sorry, yes, attorney
Trisha po.
Attorney Trisha, yes, Mr. Chair.
Before everything, good morning po kay Senator Raffy and Senator Risa. I'm Attorney Trisha Velasco Catera from the OGCC. So, with regard to your question, ma'am, of course, ma'am, it's a breach of contract.
And dahil breach of contract po ito, Mr. Chair, ano yung practical consequences, lalo na para sa local water district at sa local government unit mismo, Mr. Chair?
Ako pa rin po.
If the OGCC has an opinion on that.
Ma'am, the water district can get the bond, can actually ask Prime to comply, or they can pre-terminate if they don't want anymore. If marami na po talagang breaches, if material na talaga, wala na talaga, they have that option po, ma'am.
Kung makasigit lang, Senator Risa. Yeah, ang kaso, ang ginagawa ng Prime Water, pupunta sa korte para kumuha ng TRO. And more often than not, nagagrant yung TRO.
Yes po, sir. Actually, that's what happened po in Metro San Fernando, La Union po. The water district terminated. We helped them there. They were able to take control of the water district, and they were starting already. They started doing their projects already, trying to do what Prime wasn't able to do. And then Prime Water went in and filed a petition for interim measures of protection in the court.
You did mention about bond na kung saan pwedeng
Performance bond po.
performance bond
Yes.
Para doon kukunin
Yes.
muna naluluging local water district dahil hindi nakapag-deliver ang Prime Water. Pero ang CST, hindi ka nagpo-post ng bond, hindi yung exact amount na nakasada pa sa kontrata. Required na bond na ipo-post way below.
Yes po, sir.
So bakit yung pinayagan yun? Ba't nakalusot yun?
They were supposed to post bonds, pero parang ginagawa nila is annually. And when the time that the water districts try to get the bond, usually expired na